Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube comments not showing on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your YouTube comments are not showing and you want to load your YouTube comments, so let's see how can you easily do that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable your airplane mode and then briefly disable it after 5 or 10 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. So once you have that, you just have to go back and here open up your settings, then go for general, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. So open the VPN device management, then select VPN, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected you have to try to disconnect, and once you have disconnected you have to try again. Or if you're still having the same issues, open up your general section, and here go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone, and then select the software update, and you have to make sure that you have underneath software update available, or if you have any update you have to try to update your software. And once you have updated, it might be your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you have to try to force restart your phone. So now let's see how can you make a force restart your iPhone. You just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. And after that, your all problem will be fixed, and you can easily load your YouTube comments. So that's how you can easily fix if your YouTube comments are not showing on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.